Unlock Black Myth, Wukong Deluxe Edition for free with FundsZap. Steam, PlayStation, Xbox. Black Myth, Wukong is here, and it's absolutely incredible. But let's be real, spending $100 on the Deluxe Edition isn't for everyone. What if I told you there's a way to grab it for free? Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through how to unlock your free Deluxe Edition with a few simple steps, all thanks to FundsZap. All right, here's how this works. FundsZap is a legit site offering coupon codes for popular games like Black Myth Wukong. I tried it myself and it worked perfectly. Let me break it down step by step. First, let's head to the store. As you can see, Black Myth Wukong Deluxe Edition is listed at $99.99. But with the FundsZap coupon, you can drop that price to $0.00. Let me show you how to get yours. Go to FundsZap.com using any browser. Once you're there, type Black Myth Wukong into the search bar. You'll see a page dedicated to the Deluxe Edition coupon. Scroll down and you'll notice a button that says Show Game Code. But hold on, it's locked. To unlock the code, you just need to complete 2 quick tasks. These tasks are super easy, like downloading apps or playing a game until you reach a specific level. For example, I chose 2 apps, Travel Town and Family Island. Each task took me about 3 minutes. Pick tasks that look fast and easy for you. Once you've completed them, head back to FundsZap to unlock your code. Now for the exciting part. Refresh the page, click Show Game Code, and voila! Your unique coupon code is revealed. It's universal, so you can use it on Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. Let's redeem it together. Done. As you can see, my Deluxe Edition is now fully unlocked and free. It's that simple. So there you have it. Black Myth Wukong Deluxe Edition for free, courtesy of FundsZap. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming hacks, and let me know in the comments if you grabbed your free copy. But don't wait too long. These codes go fast. See you in the next video.